Hi, I'm just going to show you what this sounds like here. I have already powered these two up. I got my backup battery out of my Optima and plugged it into here, so the I had to connect the battery leads to it because I wasn't connected, and this what I've done is I took this siren lead and just put it on the backup battery, and it actually sounds. So I'll go and get the backup battery just now. So I'm at the Optima here. I'm going to pinch the backup battery out of this. This is what I use for everything. Oh. Right, so I'm just going to unscrew this one here. So if you can't see it, it's just need to get out the screw. So it's gone into tamper. So we got the big the little-ish battery just here. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this just here. Oh. Right, the mains is still on, so I'll now take you back in. So I've loosened the screw and took it out. So I'm going to go ahead and lift the cover off. So I'll spin this. Oh, what I'll do, put that there. We'll just put that there here. So these two leads, if you connect to a backup battery, it works. So I've got these here. Oh, so I'm going to go. I can't hear pretty much anything because I've got ear defenders, and it's important when you're doing this to wear ear defenders. So it's this way round. So that's all I'm going to do because it's like very, very loud. But you would do, I'm pretty sure that this, move this off here, that blue thing just says a backup battery. I mean, I'm not sure, but it looks like a backup battery or a joint resistor, so I think it would be a backup battery. So got the anti-stamp switch there. You would obviously have to wire them into there, then wire it to your control panel. Oh, let's get the fixings just here. So, there we are. It's important when you're testing any sort of burglar alarm, whether it being a bell box like this, a siren, whatever, and it's in an enclosed space, like this is in my bedroom and office, because a joint, it's important you wear ear defenders. Otherwise, you don't do it for long, and if you do, you won't be able to hear when you're older. So, you know, it's very important to wear ear defenders. And I recommend if you're working with bell boxes and alarms and stuff like that, I recommend you have a set of ear defenders with you. So if you need to wire up something very loud, I recommend you wear them. It's the same with testing internal sound bombs. Like the other day when I was doing that alarm, replacing the backup battery, I wore ear defenders when I tested the sound bomb because it's quite loud and it echoed for the entire house. Get this back on. this on like this. So I'm going to get the screw. So this is a screw. It's a massive screw. It's got lid and wall tamper. So if that would be like that, you'll hear a click as soon as I lift it up. Then it clicks. So you can hear that. Can't get the screw back in. There we are. Right. You'd need a big screwdriver to do it. So I've really got it in. This is going to be on my display shelf. I'm trialling this for a few days just to see how it is, like the Optima and that there. Because I'm extremely worried of, well, I don't have door Rex and like, but I don't want the condition to get ruined in any sort of way. So no, but now I know that works, you know. And I've got it on video. Some good fixings. I'll just put at the back. Then I'll get my Optima just here and I'll put it there. So if I like ever want to put these back in the box, I'm going to keep them just here. So if like I wake up one day and go, you know, I'm getting very worried about them and I don't need condition to be affected, I'll put them back in there. But that's where, if they're in the boxes, they'll just stay there. So that's it. I don't know if I told you in another video, but if I smell this Optima, it smells like it's a tiny bit musky. Smells like my nan's loft. And that, it doesn't really smell of anything. So it's a bit musky this, but yeah, that's it. So put that there like that. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.